A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Welcome to Madani Islamic Academy. Viewers, today we will learn our lesson number 11, Sukoon or Jazm. Exercise part 1. Before starting our lesson, kindly subscribe my channel Madani Islamic Academy Quran Tajweed course online. Let's start. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. This lesson comprises all the previous lessons that is harakat, tanween, the letters of madda, vertical or khadi harakat, the letters of leen, the letters of kalkala and sakina letters. In this video we will learn all these rules. Let's start. Qaf, lam, pesh, qul. Here qaf is mustaliya letters, always pronounced with thicker voice or heavy voice, and lam is here sakin. We sakin our sound at lam. Recite like this: Qaf, lam, pesh, qul. Hamza, noon, zir, in. Here noon is sakin, we stop our sound at noon. Hamza, noon, zir, in. Ain, noon, zabar, an. Here noon is sakin letter, we sakin our voice at this letter. Ain, noon, zabar, an. Mim, noon, zabar, man. Here noon is sakin letter, we sakin our voice at this letter. Mim, noon, zabar, man. Ba, lam, zabar, bal. Here lam is sakin letter, we sakin our voice at lam. Ba, lam, zabar, bal. Lam, mim, zabar, lam. Here mim is sakin letter, and at sakin letter we sakin our voice, we stop our voice. Recite like this: Lam, mim, zabar, lam. Kaf, mim, pesh, kum. Here mim is sakin letter, we sakin our voice at this letter. Kaf, mim, pesh, kum. Ha, mim, pesh, hum. Here mim is sakin letter, we sakin our voice at this letter. Ha, mim, pesh, hum. Zal, qaf, pesh, zuq. Here qaf is kalkala letter, and when kalkala sakina, our voice will be reversed. Our sound will echoes like this: Zal, qaf, pesh, zuq. And qaf always pronounce with heavy voice or thicker voice because Qaf is also a mustalia letter. Qaf, Dal, Zabar, Qad. Here this is Kalkala letter, and when Kalkala Sakina, our sound or our voice will echoes, and Qaf is pronounced with heavy voice because this is mustalia letter. Recite like this: Qaf, Dal, Zabar, Qad. Hamza, Sod, Zir, Is. To, Zabar, To, Is, To. Ba, Ro, Zir, Bir, Is, Tabir. Here Sod and Ta are mustalia letters, always pronounced with heavy voice or thicker voice. Istabir, istabir. Mim, Sin, Pesh, Mus. Ta, Zabarta, Musta. Fa, Ra, Zabar, For. Mustafor, Mustafor. Here Ta is mustalia letters will be pronounced with heavy voice, and this is Ta will be pronounced with thin voice. Recite like this: Mustator, Mustator. Fa, Ghain, Zabar, Fa. Fa, Ra, Zir, Fir. Fa, Fir. Here Ghain is mustalia letter will be pronounced with heavy voice or thicker voice. Fa, Fir. Fa, Fir. Hamza, Ain, Zabar, Ah. Ya, Noon, Pesh, Yun. 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 Hamza, Ain, Zabar, Ah. Noon, Alif, Zabar, Na. Na. Ba, Do, Zabar, Ban. Ban. Here this is madda, alif madda, because there is zabar before alif sakin. This is alif madda, and madda letters we pronounce, we stretch up to one alif or two harakat. Recite like this: Aqnaban. Za, Jim, Zabar, Zaj. Ra, Zabar, Ra, Zaj, Ra. Ta, Do, Pesh, Tun. Zajratun. Here Jim is Kalkala letter, and Kalkala is Sakina. When Kalkala Sakina, our sound or our voice will echoes, and this is two Pesh Tanween. Recite like this: Zajratun, Zajratun. Noon, To, Pesh, Nut. Fa, Zabar, Fa, Nutfa. Ta, Do, Zir, Tin, Nutfatin. Here To is Kalkala and Kalkala is Sakin. Here when Kalkala is Sakin, our voice or our sound will echoes, and this is two Zir Tanween. Nutfatin, Nutfatin. Mim, Dal, पेश मुद, हा ज़ेर ही मुद ही, नून वाव पेश नू, मुद ही नू, नून ज़बरना, मुद ही नून. Here dal is kalkala letter and kalkala is sakin here. When kalkala sakina, our sound, our voice will echoes, and this is madda, vav madda. There is page before vav sakin, and madda letters we pronounce, we stretch by one alif or two harakat. मुदहिनून, मुदहिनून, हमजा बा ज़बर अब, वाव अलिफ ज़बर वा, अब वा, बा दो ज़बर बन, अब वा बन. Here ba is kalkala letter and kalkala is sakin here. When kalkala sakina, our sound, our voice will echoes, and this is wow, this is alif madda, because there is zabar before alif sakin, and madda letters we stretch up to one alif or two harakat, and this is two zabar, this is tanween. अबवाबन, अबवाबन, फा, फा ज़बर फफ, रो क़ाफ पेश रुक, फफ रुक, फफ रुक. Here qaf is kalkala letter and kalkala is sakina here. When kalkala is sakina, our sound or our voice will echoes, recite like this: fafruq, fafruq. This is the part 1 of exercise lesson number 11. Inshallah, next video we will continue this exercise. Kindly visit my website madaniislamicacademy.com. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.